to my show.
Hi there. Hey there.
Hello
there. And
welcome to the
show.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Today we're going over figures,
And
Happy Meals,
older toys.
older vintage toys, and a blind bag. All right, so let's do it and begin. First, we're gonna start with
Monster Venom.
Monster Venom. And what does he do? He squeezes his legs and what does he do? His head pops up a little bit. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, that's how he's made.
He's gonna try to eat your eyes.
He's gonna try to eat you up. All right. Next we have this guy. We don't know who this guy is, do we? No. But looks like he used to have like a rocket on his hand. If you know, if anyone knows who he is, comment below. Down below. Next we have this scary guy.
We're not so scared.
He stands up. Oh, slams his arm down. What's his name? Bumblebee.
He's just gonna.
Yeah, I don't know who he is, but he looks like a bumblebee, but I don't know if that's his name. Next, we have this guy. I don't know.
He's here.
How is he here?
Yes, because he has the flag on him.
Looks like he has a flag on him. He can move a lot. He wants to dance. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Next, we have this guy, and it's Brainiac.
Why didn't you know the name when I said?
I just didn't know, but look at him. He is all green and wearing the color purple. White and black. Stand him up over there with his friends. Then we have this guy, a vintage one,
From
older,
X-Men.
from X-Men, and his name is Cyclops.
Wait a minute. That's I think I remember them.
Oh. Well, here he is. And he has like a little beam that comes out of his eyes. But it doesn't work. But we can pretend. Right? Alright.
Why does it come out of my eyes?
That's what power he has. Comes out of his eyes. Next, we have Lotso the bear from Toy Story. I think he's a bad guy though, isn't he, in this show? He's a naughty bear. Naughty bear. Next, we have Black Spider-Man. That's going to spray you with his web. Ah, oh, you got him. Oh, you sprayed him down with his web. All right, now let's start with the Happy Meal bags. First, we're going to start with Cosmics, and it's a lunar case. I don't know. You know how we find out? Oops. We open it up. Cool. There's nothing inside.
I can try to put something.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, we can make it like an egg. Like a little space beam right there. Cool. All right, put them right there. Who do we have next? Oh, this is different. This is Barbie Bicycling Barbie. Ooh. I wonder what she's gonna be doing. She's probably gonna be on a bicycle. Yep. Let's see what she does. Oh, she's just cruising. Oh, she's on the bike. It's safe to have both hands on the bike. Oh, she's just going to the park or something. Where's she going?
I think she's going to home.
Oh, she going home? All right. See you later, Barbie. Put over there with her friend. All right. The last one we have is a Superman one. Ooh. I wonder which one we're gonna get. Let's find out. And let's do it.
Let's do this. Superman!
Different ones that you can collect. Oh! Put them up there. Then up, and away!
How do you try that?
Oh, we'll do it one more time. Say it. Up, and
Way!
Next we have cards that we got from
Dave
Dave and Buster's. Now we're gonna go over the Jelly Lab, and they're from the Minions, and this is Stewart. Look at Stewart.
Wait a minute, that's Groot.
Now we have Gru and Dave. Last but not least, we have Dr. Nefario. Nefario? We got Doctor in the house.
You can collect 1, 2, or 3.
You can collect them all. Next, the last thing we have is a Pint-Sized Heroes Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. Who we gonna get? Who we gonna get?
A duplicate or not?
Ah, I hope not. Let's see who we're gonna get. I want the Green Ranger. Who do you want?
I think I want.
Alright, here we go. Oh!
It's the green
We got the Green Power Ranger!
I want.
Oh, we both wanted this guy? That's awesome. Go Power Rangers! Right? Alright, well, that's all we have for today. Well, thank you for watching. And if you guys want to see any different types of figures or what we should do next, please comment below. All right, and have a good day. Bye.
Subscribe.